at y'all with another one, you heard?
What up, y'all? Kenny Cam Vlogs back at y'all with another one. We on our way to Baton Rouge Airport. We about to meet up. I'm about to do this Bike Life Friday real quick. Throw it by my boy otc.gunner on Instagram. Y'all go check him out. And Louisiana Country Life too. That's his brand name page. Y'all go check him out. We gonna see. Like I said, we passing through Gonzales right now. Got the bike loaded up. No helmet, jeans with some Vans kind of day. We about to go hit some wheelies and shit like that. We do it all. Like I said, we gonna see what it's hitting for when I pull up down there. I'm solo today, so we're gonna see how this footage is gonna be. But we're gonna check it out. We're gonna get down to it for sure. I'll holler at y'all back in a second. Gunner, OTC Gunner, we in traffic on the way. Bike life shit. You heard me? We out here. You know what I'm saying? Everybody out here. About to get ready to do this shit, you heard me? In a second. About to get done with it. Get ready to go. About 5 minutes later. Got more. It's getting thick out here. It's starting to get thick. The crowd's starting to get a little thick. We're gonna ride out in a second. Hopefully it don't rain. Some of the crew, somebody broke down, you feel me? But we having a good time, though. We out there cutting up. It's fun, man. It's fucking lit out here. It's a good time. You know what I'm saying? We gonna keep going, see what happens. You feel me? Yeah! Past the river, son, you feel me? We out here, all the country living crew. We out here, bro. Yeah, done way. It's a good time. We ain't doing nothing bad out here. We just hitting wheelies and you know, doing what we do. Bikes up, guns down. You feel me? Bikes up, guns down. It's gonna be a hit right here. This video gonna be a banger. We out here. We got one bike down. We got off the interstate, you heard me. Had a little cop running after us, but he turned off. I guess he figured, you know, it was over with. So, yeah. But I don't know. We about to see what's going on now. Hey man, shout out to what the name of your YouTube?
Oh, Travis and Ash Fam.
Travis and Ash Fam. This Kenny Cam Vlog. We coming back at y'all. We lost the rest of the group, but we still out, y'all. Kenny Cam Vlogs, bikes up, guns down. You feel me? Oh, 2020 and beyond. You feel me? But yeah, we out here. And, I don't know. It's up. About to see where we're gonna go. We're gonna go next. Woo, what up, y'all? Back. Just got the bike loaded up, got back to the meetup spot, got the bike loaded up, we back on the road, headed home. Man, it was a good ride. I can't say nothing but good things about it. We got split up 1 or 2 times, but I mean, it wasn't too bad. The cops didn't really chase us other than this one little chase on I-10, but I mean, man, other than that, it was good. We rode through LSU on dirt bikes today. How many people can say they rode through LSU on a dirt bike? And then on a wheelie at that. I mean, probably not too many, but I don't know, man. We're probably gonna stop. I'm gonna stop. don't know. We'll see. I don't think I got nothing planned for tonight. But the vlog may continue until the night, just depending on how it goes when I get home. So I don't know. If it continues, so be it. If not, I guess it's the end of the video. But I'll let y'all know.